In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to target specific YouTube channels and videos in Google Ads. First, you'll need to open your web browser and head over to Google Ads. This is the foundational platform for creating, managing, and optimizing your ad campaigns. If you're not already signed in, you'll want to click on Sign in the top right corner. Enter your credentials and you'll be redirected to the Google Ads home where the main dashboard of your campaigns resides. Once you're signed in and at the home screen, look for the Create button. It's usually prominently displayed to help you initiate new campaigns easily. Click on it to begin setting up your ad campaign. On the following screen, you'll be presented with several options, but you should select Create a campaign without guidance. This choice is crucial for those who prefer more control over the various facets of their campaign, allowing you to tailor settings to match your specific advertising needs. After choosing to create a campaign without guidance, click on Continue. This step might seem like a minor one, but it's essential as it loads the specific interface where you can start defining the objectives of your campaign. The next move is selecting Video Views. This is particularly important because your focus is on promoting videos either through increasing their visibility on YouTube or targeting them specifically through advertisements. By selecting video views, you're indicating to Google that the main goal of your campaign is to get more viewers to interact with your video content. Setting up a campaign means considering your audience, keywords, and placements. Fortunately, targeting specific YouTube channels and videos allows you to zero in on where your ad dollars are going. This precision means that you can make sure your ads appear on channels and videos that align closely with your brand or the interests of your target audience. While configuring your campaign, take a moment to think about the demographics and locations of your ideal audience. It's often beneficial to write these down as they'll guide your decisions through the ad creation process. If you have particular channels in mind where you want your ads to appear, such as prominent content creators in your niche, ensure you have their URLs ready to input in the placement section of your campaign settings. By following these steps, you should have a solid setup that will allow you to maximize the impact of your advertising efforts on YouTube. Remember, the key to success on this platform is engaging the right audience with the right content, so take the time to refine your targeting settings. As you progress, continue to monitor the performance metrics within Google Ads to adapt and optimize your campaign strategies effectively. Thanks for watching and happy advertising.